All right, everyone is buying this convertible futon sofa on Amazon right now, and I know why. First and foremost, the value. The number on the page right now, that should be way higher. I can't believe that number is what you can get this couch for brand new. That's insane. The comfort, the padding down here, as well as the padding back here, it's very comfortable. Specifically, when you look at the number on the page and the comfort level, that's insane. To me, that's insane. Comes with these two pillows as well. Now, what I really love is in the back, there's a zipper over here with a leg. You just unzip it, pull the leg out, and then you can come over here, unzip it on this side, pull the leg out. You've also got legs right here in the center that you can use. And honestly, you don't even really necessarily need to use those. But pull those out, push it forward, and it comes down. Both sides come down, obviously. This is the totally flat. There's number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So depending on how you want to do it, this has whatever degree of leaning back you want to do. This is going to get you covered. To bring the legs down, there's just a button right here. You press it in, goes in, you zip it up, press the button here, on, right there. Goes in, you zip it up, you're good to go. An amazing couch, amazing value, flying off the shelves on Amazon. I see why. Highly recommend.